Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make creamy potato salad. I'm actually super picky when it comes to potato salad, so you know that if I'm gonna come out with a recipe for it, it's gonna be good. And this potato salad is the best. Now, I like to add bacon to my potato salad, so to start, you'll need to cook and crumble 1 pound of bacon. I also add in hard-boiled eggs, so you'll want to boil 4 eggs. Then I have 2.5 pounds of potatoes that I'm gonna get boiling in a large pot of boiling water. I'm using red potatoes today because I like the color, but you can also use Yukon Gold. We'll let these boil for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how big you cut your pieces, until they're tender. Then we're gonna drain and cool them off. In the meantime, I have my diced hard-boiled eggs, half of a diced red onion, my cooked and crumbled bacon, a little bit of minced fresh dill, and then 4 ribs of diced celery. We can also put together our sauce. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of mayo. Scrape that into a little mixing bowl. Then you'll also need 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cider vinegar, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and I'm using a stone ground mustard. Then you'll need 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk this together. All right, now my potatoes are almost done, so I'm gonna drain them and then rinse them under cold water to cool them off. Get those potatoes into a large mixing bowl, add in the bacon, then the 4 diced celery ribs, the half of a red onion diced, our eggs, our hard-boiled eggs, get those all in there, and then a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped dill. Last, we just need to add in our dressing. I just drizzle it all over the top. And then all that's left to do is take a spoon and toss this together. Just be nice and gentle when you're tossing it together so you don't break up all of your ingredients. Then just pop this in the fridge for a couple hours to chill and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.